It's the end of the circus, and I'm feeling sad like a clown. My makeup is drowning in blood, sweat and tears from my heart, and I fear that I look around and that's what I found when I started off. Never thought I'd cross the lines that were drawn a long time ago, buried and gone in lies and ego. I drank it down but can't cover up the lives that I've lost and run out of luck. Goodbye to the world that I know. Looks like the wind on the road. Iceless in the darkest of nights, and I'm down to the wire, surrounded by fire. Pull the plug from the jug, you can't wash it out of your mind or stay ahead of the crime. Well, I started off, never thought I'd cross the lines that were drawn a long time ago, buried and gone in the lies and ego. And I drank it down but can't cover up the lives that I've lost and run out of luck. Goodbye to the world that I know. Looks like the end of the road. Goodbye to the world that I know. Looks like the end of the road. Well, Heidi there, Pluckers. I've sore fingers back with you again for hopefully another interesting little ditty for you. This is a lovely song from Alison Krauss and Union Station. Okay, it's from an album called Arcadia, I believe, which came out in '25. Okay, and the song's called "Looks Like the End of the Road." Okay. Nice some chord sequence in it. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Sorry about the singing, it's just purely for reference obviously. But hopefully if you like that one, I'll be doing a breakdown of it in a couple of days, and I'll see you then hopefully. Bye for now.